We're getting these fucking door greenies in. She is going in, boys. Look at this. Upholsterer, Zacs. Who would have ever thought? Wow. I can put the door handles on that we got over there. She is fucking going back together, boys. Back together again. We're putting Humpty Dumpty back together again. Fuck, all I gotta do is come back to the parts store over here. And then I get my next part. 2 more fucking door cards for the back there. Look at this. Gonna be ready for Steve Barrett's after this. Or Jeff Barrett's auction, whatever the fuck you call it. Look at that. Here the old smackback. Fucking seen this one, boys. I got you guys. I got you. Oh, fuck. We lost her. I got you guys fucking hooked up here. Bring you back to 1966. That's like a fucking Chris Fix angle. We got another one. Just dirtier than hell. We're not even gonna clean it. I think that's good enough. Yeah, that's good enough for us. Pop it right back in like nothing ever happened. Resell for $10,000. Boys, we are gonna pop it in like nothing. Oh, we lost fucking Chuchulator, the anti-thefter. We lost her. Look at her. Oh, we're in. Fuck, we lost her again. We'll just keep losing the Chuchulator. Here we go. That is a Chuchulator. He's fucking $1,000. She's going back together. Like fuck, couple of screws, couple of deck screws. Come on, what fucking more can you ask for on this? You can't fucking beg for more than that. You can't fucking scream for more than that. Okay, that's enough. Look at this. Chuchulator's going back on the chucher. See if it works. Fresh install. Let's see if it works. It works. Been on a good angle, you know. Minty, boys. You can't fucking ask for more than that. That's fucking door handles 101. I'm gonna come back in here for fucking part number 4. Look at it, boys. We're just finding gold. Look at this, more fucking gold. We're like, this is like Gold Rush. Gold Rush with Zac Manor. Look at all the fucking chrome under there. Don't get too excited. You're gonna have to put it all back together. Don't get too excited. And that one's gonna go there. That's just fucking Uncle Bob. Okay. Look at those fucking angles. Those are like Chris Fix angles. You want to make sure you properly clean it. Just wipe the dust right back into the car. That's basically what you want to do. Fucking $1,000. $1,000 he paid for this thing. A frickin' $1,000 Burks is what he paid. Look at this. Dude, this is... It's like we're back at the factory. When the fuck is lunch? This is like we're back at the fucking factory. And amazing. Nothing some fucking screws can't fix. Okay. Get the old handy fucking metal sheet screws in there. Look at this. It's a fucking car again. In the next fucking bag of tricks, fuck, we are gonna run these. I don't know if you guys can see, I got the nice patina going on right now. We are gonna fucking get that little antler in there. We're gonna fucking run those. Shit. You get the fucking idea. Look at this. Fucking, she's coming together, boys. The fucking torques. The torques on her. Holy fuck, we're gonna have to clean those up a little. We can't be having those.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. Gonna have to get you out here to do extra work while I'm at work. Go get her a rag.
No, we need to get ear tips, ear plugs. Like, you know.
Fucking ear tips. Look, we got new lingo coming out of your ear tips. Yep. For sale. For sale, not on sale. 20 grand. It's
You get it resprayed? The what?
no? Think I can afford that? I don't do those things. We had this shitty radio that was in there. The guy fucking must have changed it, so I put the ashtray back in. Pretty much fucking factory now. Get that shit off there. It's not fully, still gotta kind of get a screw in there. But that is fucking ashtrays 101. Look at it. Look at the patina. Look, ladies and gentlemen. This is a monumental moment. Got the steering wheel back together from my parts store back there. Figured I'd keep you guys in touch with the final piece there on that. That's a fucking horn, boys. Fucking anywhere you hit it, she goes. Look at that. Could fucking hide my weed behind there. Fucking beauty.